This boat is a 2023 Harris pontoon boat. The model is a 230 Sunliner. It's the 230 Sunliner sport version. The sport version gives you the tower with the bimini top. This is a tri-tune configuration. It's the Performance Level 2. The Performance Level 2 gives you a pontoon that runs the whole length of the boat. And you'll be able to see on the aft section here that we have the extended swim platform to give you more deck length. Also comes the Performance Level 2 package, includes the stainless steel ski bar. And the standard ladder this year is the big stainless steel 4-step ladder. This engine is the Mercury outboard 4-stroke, 175 horsepower with DTS. DTS is digital throttle and shift system. This boat has the rear-facing lounge seat, which converts to recline forward or aft as you like. You can see that the floor plan is the dual helm seat arrangement. Both seats are the high-back Ultralux captain's chairs. The console is equipped with the Simrad Go 7 GPS chart plotter with sonar, depth finder, fish finder. A wireless charging pad for your phone is atop the console. In the floor, you'll see it has the big in-floor storage compartment, and it also has a convenience package, which includes the quick-release fender system, including 2 8-inch fenders. The stereo system is upgraded to include the JL head, along with 6 Clarion speakers. There are cup holder consoles at each lounge seat, which incorporate USB ports. This boat is located at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. Thank you.